Okay, so we learned how to count the object and write. Okay, so here on your page number 117, we have given some objects which you will be counting and adding up and writing it in the given box. Okay, children, so that's your page number 17, 117, 118 also you have the objects to be counted and added together. So these are the groups of 10 and the units. Add the tens and units and write the total number. Okay, so that's still here. Now I am going to teach you all another way of addition, that is more than 10 or 11. So how do we group up the numbers and write? Now the first question which is given here is 7 plus 4. How do we add this? One is the number line, the other is your mind and your fingers. Now the other way to learn addition is, we'll draw the sticks, the number of sticks, we add the sticks and write the total number. How do we do that? 7. So we'll draw 7 sticks for 7. This is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus, what is this number? 4. So we'll draw 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 7 and plus 4. So how do we add? First we will group the number into tens. First we'll remove the 10 numbers. Then we'll take the units and then we will get the answer. Okay, so first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10 up to here. So what we do? We take the group of 10 first. So how many tens you have? 1 10. And what is the number which is left? How many sticks are left? Only 1 stick. So how many tens we have? We have 1 10. And how many sticks are left? That will be your units. Whatever sticks which are left after totaling up to 10 will be your units, correct? So how many sticks are left? We have 1 unit left. So 1 10 and 1 unit is 11. So 7 plus 4 is your 11. Okay, so when we go to the next sum, 8 plus 5. Okay, so this is your units and here you have your tens. So 8 plus 5. So first let's draw 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 sticks here plus how much I have? 5. So I have to draw 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first let's make a group of 10. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So till here we have 10 sticks. So let's group the 10 sticks. So I got 10 sticks here. So how many units are left? 1, 2, 3 sticks are left. That's the unit. So how many tens I have? I have 1 10 because there's only one group of 10. So I have 1 10. So I'll write in the tens column. How many units I have left with? I am left with 1, 2 and 3. So I have 3 units left. So 8 plus 5 is your 13. 1 10 and 3 units 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. So let's go to the next sum. Third one, 9 plus 5. The same additions. So I am going to draw the sticks below this. So first we have 9 sticks. So let's draw 9. So we have to draw 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct? Plus, how many sticks do we need to draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's group this up in tens first. So count the 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I find 10, I make a group of 10. You have learned this in the previous chapter where you're grouping up into 10 and then you're seeing the remaining units, right? The same thing. I am grouping up the sticks to 10 to form 110, okay? And then I will see how many sticks are left to the unit side. So I have 110, one bunch of 10, that's 1. And how many units I am left with? How many sticks I am left with? 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am left with 4 sticks, so that's your 4 units. 110 and 4 units gives you all 14. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay children, so for instance I have given the number like this. Okay, 11 plus 8. How much is 11 plus 8? So I will first draw 11 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many sticks? 11 sticks. And what's this? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm adding 11 plus 8. So first let's take the group of 10 units first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I get 10 here. I am making a group of 10. Okay. And then let's see how many other sticks we are left with. So I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is one group. I have 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am writing 10 sticks here. I am drawing and making it as one group. Now other than 10, how many more we have? We'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's draw the same sticks. We'll remove the sticks which are not in group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The sticks which are not grouped to 10. So how many do we have? One group of 10. This is 110, right? This is your 110. And this is another group which is of 9. So how many 10s we have? We have 110. So 110 and 9 units gives you 19. Okay. So 110 and 9 units gives you 19. So 11 plus 8 is 19. Copy this in your classwork book children. 11 plus 8 gives you 19. Let's do one more sum. I'll write it over here. That will be your fifth sum. The fifth, I have 12 plus 8. Okay. So what is it equals to? Now for this I have to draw 12 sticks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 sticks plus how many sticks we have here? We have to draw 8. So we have 8. So we will draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay children. So first what we have to do? We have to make into groups of 10. So let's count 10 sticks first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So till here we have 10. So we make a group and I will write here. How many are these? 10. So I'll make a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is one group. Now we'll remove whichever is not a group of 10. Let's count that first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 more sticks. So we'll make another group of 10 more sticks. That is from here to here. Got it? So we have 10 more sticks. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So even that we will write here and make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one group of 10. So we have one group of tens here, another group of tens here. So how much it comes to? One group of 10 plus another group of 10, that's 1 and 2. So there are 2 and 0 units. We don't have anything else which is left out, right? We don't have any remaining sticks which are left out like this. We don't have any single sticks of the units. So we have 0 units and 2 groups of 10. One 10 here, another 10 here. So that will give you all 0 units and 1 10, that gives you all 20. So 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. So when you total or count everything together, you will get 20 sticks. You want to check that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 12 plus 8, we have drawn 12 sticks plus 18 sticks. So totaling up together we get 20. This is how you do in grouping of 10s and 20s children. So when you go to your page number 119 in your math textbook, you have given some illustration sums how to count 7 units and 4 units, which will give you all 11 units. That's your 1 unit, 1 10 and 1 unit. So how do we write this? So when they have given one, group and add is what we did right now. So group to 10 and add. And how do we represent the numbers? In tens and units. So when you have given the number 13, so it will be tens units. So how many tens you had got when you grouped up? 1 10 you got. When you grouped up the units, how many units you had? 1 2 3. So 3 units. Okay, 1 10 and 3 units, which will give you all 10 units, correct? I'm sorry, 13 units. 1 10 and 3 units will give you all 13 units. That's how you will be writing here. So when they asked 0 plus 14, so 0 we cannot count, so 14 sticks we draw 14 and group up to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you have 10 sticks here, and what is left out of the circle are 4 sticks. So in the unit, in the tens column, how many tens, how many circles of groups of tens you have? 1. So you write here 1. And how many units you have? 1 2 3 4. 4 units are left, right? So we'll put it in the 4. So we have 1 10 and 4 units, which is equal to 14. And similarly, these sums are given here. 8 plus 8 is nothing but, you will represent it as 8 plus 8. Draw 8 sticks and then plus 8 sticks. Make a group of 10 sticks together and write how many tens you have? 1 tens, and remaining you will have 6 more sticks, which will come as 6 units. So 1 10 and 6 units will be 16. This is the way you have to write. Next we have add and match. So we have they have given you all 9 plus 5. So 9 plus 5, wherever you have the draw sticks of 9 and 5 sticks and total it up, it will come to a group of 1 10 and 4 sticks left out. That is this. You have 1 10 and 4 sticks left out. That is 9 plus 5 is 14. So you have to match the sticks to that and match the total to that. So I want you all to do this as a homework and send it to me. I will also correct it and send it to you all the correct way if you all have done some mistake in it. So 5 plus 8, so draw 5 sticks and draw 8 sticks. So group up to 10 and find how many sticks are left out and match it to the numbers here. So this is again match the pairs which are equal as shown. So this is 18 plus 10, 2 is 20, 11 plus 9 is also 20 if you do your grouping up system and add. So once you group up to tens and units, you will get the numbers. Add it in use your notebook, write one number, 8 plus 2, draw the sticks and get the number, and then once you get the number, you can see which is equal to the other one. I will write that and show it to you all for better understanding. So in this chapter, as we have learnt before, how to count the objects and add, that is counting up within 10 and grouping up from grouping up into tens and units so that it adds up to more than 10, 11 or less than 20. So in this chapter we learned how to group up the given number to tens and units and add them, correct? Now we go to your page number 121. In this, what they say, you have to match the pairs which are equal as shown. Match the pairs which are equal as shown. Like they've given set of numbers here. So there are 8 set of numbers given around as in your textbook. And what we have to do, and there's already one is done for you all. That's the from 8 plus 2 and 11 plus 9. So what does this mean? When you say match the pairs which are equal as shown. So take your notebook and write one by one. When you say 18 plus 2, let's do 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2 equals, you have to draw 18 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay? Plus 2. And you have to draw 2 sticks. 1 and 2. Correct? So 18 sticks. 1. So let's split the 10 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is one group of 10. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is another group of 10. Okay, so we have 2 groups of 10 over here. 18 plus 2 sticks over here, 18 sticks here, adds up to 2 tens, that's your 20, correct? 2 tens, 20. So 18 plus 2 is 20. So let's write it here. 18 plus is 20. Now they have already given the example 11 plus 9. So which is what we will again try doing it. 11 plus 9 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's take the group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So till here is your one group. That's 110. 1. So how many sticks are left? Let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is another group of 10. So there are again 2 groups of 10, right? 2 groups of 10. So 1 10 and 2 10 is 20. So 11 plus 9 is 20. So 11 plus 9 is also 20. So this is equal to this. 20 and 20 both are equal, right? So 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. 11 plus 9 is also equal to 20. So that's why they have matched this. Now we have to find another number which will match to each other. So first take the set of 16 plus 2. Let's take 16 plus 2. So let's draw 16 sticks first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 16, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Plus 2 sticks. 1 and 2, right? 16 plus 2. So let's group to 10 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have one group of 10. One set of 10. Let's count the remaining sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 sticks which are left. Those are called units. So 110, because 110 and we have 8 units. So 16 plus 2 is 18. So let's write the answer here. 110 and 8 units. 16 plus 2 is 18. So let's count 12 plus 4 is how much? Only when you start adding up everything, writing the answer, you will know which number will match to which set of numbers. So here we have two numbers which is given, 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4. So we'll draw 12 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's group to 10. So this is your 10 sticks. Okay, and then you have how many more sticks left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 and 6 units. So 10 units makes 110 and 6 units you have to write 6. So 12 plus 4 is 16. Let's write 16 over here. 12 plus 4 is 16. Similarly 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. All this you have to do it in your classwork just the way I am doing. Equals, let's draw 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 8 plus 5. Let's take a group, one group of 10 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So your group forms over here. This is 110 and how many more sticks are left? 1, 2, 3 and their units. So 110 and 3 units gives you 13. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. This we have done. 11 plus 9. We'll take 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. So what we have to do? First draw 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 9. So we are making another set of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's make a group of 10 sticks. This will be your one group of 10 sticks. Okay. So 9, 10. 1, 10 and let's see how many more sticks are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sticks are left. So those are units. They are less than 10. Once you cross 10 then it becomes 110. But they are less than 10, so it is still 8 units. So this is one group of 10. So 110, 8 units is 18. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Now let's see how much is this totaling up to. 9 plus 7. So I am drawing 9 sticks. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make a group of 10. That's still here. This is 1, 10. That's one group. And how many more left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sticks are left. Those are your units. So 110 and 6 units. 9 plus 7 is 16. So let's write here 16. The last set of numbers to be added is 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2. How many sticks first? 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 2. 1, 2. So this is a group of 10 sticks. And then how many more are left? 1, 2, 3 sticks are left. So we have 1, 10. And we have 1, 2, 3, 3 units. That's 13. 11 plus 2 is 13. So I'll write here 11 plus 2 is 13. Now we have the answer of all the addition sums, right? Now we can see, now this is 16 plus 2 is 18. As we got here, 16 plus 2 is 18. Which is the other number which has total as 18? 9 plus 9 is 18. So what we do? We match 16 to 9 plus 9, 16 plus 2, both are equal to 18, so they are equal set of numbers. Now we have 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is 16, which is the other set of numbers which totals up to 16. 9 plus 4, 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. So this is equal to this. 12 plus 4 is equal to 9 plus 4. It's the addition, different numbers are added to get the same total. Okay. Now this is 8 plus 5 is 13. Which is the other number which is equal, which adds up to 13? Is 11 plus 2. So 11 plus 2 adds up to 13. 8 plus 5 also adds up to 13. So we match this to this. Got it, children? So we have a wheel over here which are being matched up to show that adding up two different numbers will also add up to the same total. So this is how you have to do the exercise on your page number 121. Write this. We come to the end of the chapter. So write the same way in your notebook and send the photo to me. If you have any doubt, do call me or text me. I shall explain to you all. Okay, children? Goodbye.